Hello, everyone. Welcome to Math Rover. In Year 5, Lesson 2, Chapter 5, we will introduce reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Let's check out the example first. We once learned 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. So, 1 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter divided by 10. Then we can get 1 millimeter equals to 0.1 centimeter or equals to 1/10 centimeter. That's 1 divided by 10 equals to 0.1 equals to 1/10. Nice. And in fraction, we have already explained 1/2 actually means 1 divided by 2. Now I have a question for you. 10 times 1/2. How should we continue our calculation? 1/2 can be written as 1 divided by 2. So equals to 10 times 1 divided by 2 in brackets. Now let's get rid of the brackets. 10 times 1 divided by 2. 10 times 1 still equals to 10. And then divided by 2, finally equals to 5. Here we can get 10 times 1/2 equals to 10 divided by 2. Or let's say 10 divided by 2 equals to 10 times 1/2. 1/2 is the reciprocal of number 2. Repeat, 1/2 is the reciprocal of number 2. Meanwhile, divided by a number equals to times its reciprocal. Divided by a number equals to times its reciprocal. Beautiful. So, what's the reciprocal of number 5? Right. 1/5 is the reciprocal of number 5. How about 3/4? What's the reciprocal of 3/4? Right. 4/3 is the reciprocal of 3/4. Now we understand what is reciprocal. Let's continue to finish our practice. Question 1. 10 divided by 0.5. 0.5 can be written as 5/10. Divided by a number equals to times its reciprocal. So now equals to 10 times 10/5. And then we can get 10 times 10/5 can be written as 10 divided by 5. And then equals to 10 times 2. Finally, we can get 20. Great. Question 2. 20 divided by 0.4. 20 divided by 0.4 can be written as 4/10 divided by a number equals to times its reciprocal, 10/4, and then equals to 20 times 10 divided by 4. Let's get rid of the brackets. 20 times 10 and then divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 equals to 5 times 10. Finally, we can get 50. Interesting, right? Question 3. 33 divided by 0.3. 33 divided by 3/10 and then divided by a number equals to times its reciprocal, 10/3. And then we can get 33 times 10 divided by 3 in brackets. Let's get rid of the brackets. 33 times 10 and then divided by 3. 33 divided by 3 equals to 11 and then times 10 finally equals to 110. Alright, that's all for Chapter 5, Reciprocal. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in Chapter 6. See you.